Always want to do the face, his cheeks, forehead. The creases right here in his face, his nasal cavity, it's real easy for a horse to get fungus here or to get a little dandruff built up here. So you want to make sure to work that well. Perfect. From there, we're going to get a brush. I prefer one that's a little stiff, and then we're going to go with the coat. So what we want to do is go ahead and start training that hair, and you're going to notice the way that we groom, coupled with the way that we bathe horses, is really going to get their hair trained.